Work with vehicle electronics to help optimize vehicle capabilities. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. An AC Delco GM original equipment windshield wiper and washer switch is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. It activates and adjusts the speed of the windshield wipers, causing them to wipe away rain and other debris from your windshield. This original equipment windshield wiper and washer switch has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Great buy. Great replacement even in Chevy Malibu 2009. Simple to replace if you have the tools.